Wetata takwaba ichalo wa pano chalo than ukuba n'omuntu owakutemwa ero naiwe wari mutemwa ero futi mulasendana bwino mulapelana n'omuchinshi. Believe you me, if you are with such a person, you are going to enjoy your marriage or relationship. Achane ba Zambia mulife fyonse ife kuno tulife fyonse. Rero turashita react kuru rwimbo rwakwa Shenki Sugar, and the title of the song ni Medicine, and it features Triple M Zambia. This song is off from the album Camp Nou, which he did release last year. And if you're a fan of his music, na papata tandalira pama music streaming channels yakwe yonse wala isanga I album afumishe last year Camp Nou. Now before I react to this song umuntu wandi Shenki Sugar did release, there are two things I want to talk about. And the first thing I want to talk about ni Wetata. Wetata tientule support abantu besu. Tientule pampamo abantu besu. Let us promote Zambian businesses. Let us buy Zambian businesses. Believe you me, if we are employing such behaviors on a daily basis, ni chalo chesu kuti chava ichalo ichamaka sana. The second thing I want to talk about ni Wetata. Wetata, it is very much okay to make money off someone's work, but the methods you should be using are methods which are recognized in the books of the law. Like that, no one is going to come and disturb you. But ngauleo bomfyama methods aya njuka pa kupangia ndalama. Believe you me, when the authorities discovers that you are employing such behaviors, balaisa mkutoba wala makwebo yobe. Imagine na capital waingishemo. Plus wala kuingisha na muchifungo. Meaning ni pressure per pressure. You don't want that. That's the very reason why they tell that it is better you are making money using methods which are recognized in the books of the law. Like that, no one is going to come and disturb you. Wetata iwe naine nama music institutions mu music society na government of the day tufuire tuwabombera chapamo mukupwisha pirates. Believe you me, if such behaviors are employed on a daily basis, na pirates mchalo chesu kuti yapwa, and this would create a large room for our entertainers to make a lot of money. Wetata, my advice to all the music distributors ni it is better you are distributing ama music copies at a smaller scale. Then those music copies you're distributing at a smaller scale, my original music copies. Better that way. No one is going to come and disturb you because you're using methods which are recognized in the books of the law. But if you are but if you are distributing ama music copies at a larger scale, then those music copies fima gonga, and the authorities discovers that those music copies you're distributing fima gonga, walaisa mkutoba ola ama kwebo yowe. Imagine na capital waingishemo. Plus bala kuingisha na mchifungo. Meaning ni pressure per pressure. That's the very reason why today tilati it is better you're distributing ama music copies at a smaller scale. Then those music copies you're distributing at a smaller scale, my original music copies. And if such is the reality, ukalapanga aka profiti aka nono. Wetata indalama tashifula kukwata fya manu mwakushibomfeshela nga ule shibomfya ino, even though ulipanga aka nono, you can manage to do something productive na kwaka nono ulepanga. So kukwata fye umutwe mwokubomfeshera karya kanono olepanga. That's why nabayama bandi ba kings malembe batira ati umuntu mutwe wetata. That's a small profit you are making. Divide it into percentages. Let's say 20% of that small profit you are making, you invest it into your business. So that business yowe yakula. Then the other 30% of that small business, the other 30% of that small profit you are making, invest it into the other 30% of that small profit you are making, save it for emergency purposes, for future use. Wait, no one knows what tomorrow will bring on the table. Bora kuti happen amairo, or an opportunity may arise. And if such is the reality, that's something you saved, you can use it to solve the equation which has come to reality. Umuntu mutu wetata, umuntu mutu. Then the other 50% of that small profit you are making, save it for emergency purposes. Save it to cater for your today's needs. Ama needs kwati, ama rentals, water bills, to take care of your family. Wetata, success is not a one-day thing. It is a process, and you need to be willing to go through that process. And while that process is occurring, you are going to mature. You are going to understand that aspect of business. You are going to know the do's and don'ts of that aspect of business. You are going to know the right behavior to employ and the wrong behavior not to employ. Like that, you can't make a mistake. Wetata, it is not everyone you should bring close to you. Only bring the right people close to you. Ngawaleta abantu abasoma mpepi na iwe barakuafurisha okuba omuntu foyo okuba barakuafurisha to achieve your goals. But if you make a mistake of bringing the wrong people mpepi na iwe barakudisturba. Wetata chentu butukire pa YouTube channel yakwa Shenki Sugar. Let us subscribe to his YouTube channel. Na album afumishe last year epo eri pa YouTube channel yakwe. Even this song Medicine epo eri pa YouTube channel yakwe. Na papa chentu butukire pa YouTube channel yakwe and subscribe to his YouTube and stream his music. Chentu le support abantu bezo. Nami papa chentu butukire pa Boompre channel yakwe. Let us subscribe to his Boompre. Na album afumishe last year kampuni epo iri pa Boompre. Even that song here lilile sana yakwa Shenki Sugar. Chile shana winoichi. Epo iri pa Boompre channel yakwe. Nami papata, let us subscribe to his Boompre. Then stream his music papa Boompre channel yakwe. Kintule support abantu bezo ba Zambia. Wetata, what's the beauty of subscribing to our musicians' music streaming channels? What's the beauty of streaming our musicians' music pama music streaming channels yabo? The beauty which is there ni wetata. If they did monetize their music streaming channels and we are streaming their music pama music streaming channels yabo and we are subscribing to their music streaming channels pama music streaming channels yabo, meaning bakala pange ndalama. And if such is the reality, we are indirectly empowering our people. And if such is the reality, they are going to manage to support themselves. They are going to manage to support their families. They are going to manage to finance their music activities in the music society. Wait at tentule pampa mo abantu beso. Now let me react to this song umuntu wandi Shenki Sugar did. And the title of the song, it is Medicine. And it features 111. Point number 1. This song has that sense of belonging, that Zambian way of storytelling. Ningoma isha kumiensu. And my advice to all the Zambian musicians, ni promote the Zambian sound. Promote the Zambian way of storytelling. Point number 2, sound management. Big up to the team which did manage the sound production. Sound Ileumfika Fifionse. It was produced by Tina, aka Shenki Sugar. And to those who don't know, Shenki Sugar is a good producer. He has produced for a number of artists. And to name a few, Dreams Mr. Music, he did produce some of his hit songs. The late Dandy Crazy, he did produce some of his hit songs. Shanky Sugar is a good producer. All in all, we do it for the culture, for the love of Zambian music. Tiewe.